Hey everybody, it's Nick from Tech Done Right, and today is Tuesday. Every Tuesday we're going to be putting out a little short video on tips and tricks to keep your computer up and running. And today we're going to talk about power settings. Mainly see this on laptops. You down here where you're down here in the corner here, you'll have a little battery icon. You can right click on that and it'll bring up your configurations. You can go in there and change your power settings. Now you don't see that on laptop or on desktops, so you got to manually go in there. And so what we're going to do here is go down to the start bar and let's go. We're going to choose our power plan. First one there. We'll go into there. And if you've never done anything in here, most of the times it's going to be set on balanced, which, like it says here, balances performance and energy consumption on your hardware. What I do is always run at high performance. Well, in this case, I'm ultimate performance, but a lot of computers won't see this ultimate performance. We'll see if yours will here in just a little bit, but for now, most of the time, high performance. And if you're on a laptop and if you ever run down on the battery and you're struggling to get that last bit out there, it may put you in power saver mode. And then it just like really reduces your performance. And if it doesn't turn that back on, then you're going to be wondering why your computer's running slow. Check this and see if this is what this is set to. I'm going to give you a demonstration here. We open up the control panel, our task manager here, and we'll go over here to performance. Over here, it's all kind of lagging right here. So we're on power saver. And down here, you see that the speed, this is the speed of your CPU. Like right now, it's 1.18 gigahertz. Now, the base speed of mine is 3.7. And so there's a big difference there. So you see here, we're going to go and click on high performance. It's just going to max it out now. Now, everything's going to run smooth and not going to have any delay on anything. Ultimate performance, like I said, is going to be more on higher end PCs, but who knows? We might be able to get your own here in just a moment. And that's the other thing is sometimes you won't see the high performance option here. It'll just be listed as power saver or balanced or just balanced. And so we're going to add one of those in if you need to here. And so what we're going to have to do is I have my power options here. And these are the commands that you're going to run to activate these. Now, it won't work for mine because I already have it in there, and I actually have two in here. So I tried to add one earlier and duplicated it, so I'll get rid of that in a minute. But so we're going to go here to the start bar, and we're going to go to your command prompt, and you just go CMD, and you're going to run as administrator, and it'll bring that up. And so if you're missing the high performance, what you want to do is we're just going to copy this, and I'll post this down below in the comments so you can just copy and paste as well. So we're just going to copy it over here, and then we'll right click and it brings it right up there and hit it. Now it's going to tell me I'm unable to create it because I already have it set in mine right there, so it's not going to do it. But that's all you need to do. And boom, there you got high performance. Now you can try the ultimate performance and put this one in there. And you copy it and put it in there and see if you will happen to get it. Like I can't because I already have it. But you can try that and then it should pop up if you don't have it. Now, like I said, it's not going to work for every set and every computer for the ultimate performance. You have to be updated on the most current version of Windows 10 and have a little more powerful computer. So, but you can give it a shot, and it wouldn't hurt to have it if you can get it. Like I said, so you can see the Big difference there from power saver mode. Just drops it down, and then everything just starts getting sluggish running on there. But just crank it right back up, and it'll run full power all the time, and won't have any delay on anything. So just a little tip. I always turn this on whenever I bring a computer into the shop and start working on it. I always, because it's just, some of the older ones are really slow, and it helps tremendously on some of the older PCs. So just another tip. And so give me a shout out. Tell me what you think, if it worked for you, and if it didn't, see what we can do to get it to work. All right. I will see you guys next Tuesday. All right. Bye-bye.